Welcome to Quarter 1, Week 1, Keep Trying D. We have to determine the solutions of each quadratic equation using the quadratic formula. Let's try item number 9. But first, you have to rearrange in standard form, where you must keep all the terms at the left-hand side of the equation or at the left of the equal sign. So we write 2x squared plus 3x, and we transpose this positive 27 papunta sa left, making it a negative. So we write minus 27. And at the right, we just have equals 0. Next is to substitute the values in the quadratic formula. But first, let's identify what is the value for A. Correct. That's the leading coefficient, 2. What is the value for B? Right. That is this positive 3 before x. And C is equal to? Correct. That's negative 27, the constant term. Now, we can substitute to the formula. We write x equals negative b, meaning negative 3, plus or minus the square root of b squared, so 3 squared, minus 4 times a, which is 2, times c, which is negative 27. All over 2a, which is just 2 times 2. Now, we simplify. This is equal to negative 3 plus or minus, ano ba yung equivalent nitong nasa square root symbol? What is 3 squared? That's 9. What is negative 4 times 2 times negative 27? Correct. That is just positive 216. So we can write plus 216. All over 2 times 2 or 4. We can simplify this further. 9 plus 216 is just equal to 225. Yes. So we just write here negative 3 plus 225, the square root of 225. Let me replace this with the correct sign. That's plus or minus. All over 4. Now, we can get the square root of 225. And as you know, it is equal to 15. So this gives us x equals negative 3 plus or minus 15 all over 4. Kapag ganito yung nakuha nyong result, pwede natin siyang split into what? Una, x is equal to negative 3 plus 15 all over 4. Pangalawa is x equals negative 3. Yung minus naman. Yan. Minus 15 all over 4. And now, you compute. What is negative 3 plus 15? Correct. That's 12 over 4. Now, you identify the result here. Next, what is negative 3 minus 15? Correct. That's negative 18 over 4. Now, you get the lowest term for this fraction. Kung ano yung mga nakuha nyong sagot dito sa first and second case, you just write in your final answer, which is x equals your first answer, comma, your second answer. Don't forget to box your final answers.